Here's a Minka Air Concept 2 ceiling fan. This is my grandparents' porch. There's one in there, but that's their room. The blades are very yellow for some reason. They
she's not cleaning them up, I guess.
yeah.
Is he serious or is he kidding?
Do you want me to turn them on for you?
I'll try to do it.
Don't keep putting it.
He can reach it now.
We're gonna have to get a taller.
Here's the fan right here. Oh, the remote's on the holder. Here's the light. Oh. I'll stop it. And dim light. Off. Here's low. I mean, you can see this one from here, but I can't demonstrate that because it's their room. So yeah. This is the light. Alright. And here is medium. Let's go to. You can tell the low speed on that one's slower for some reason. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe a capacitor issue? Or maybe the speed times are too wet. Medium's not going pretty fast at all. There's sure an issue with this. Light. No light. And here's high. It's really not going fast at all. I'll have to get it close to the fan. Unfortunately, a capacitor's bad on this. High, I say. The light's lighting up. I'm getting it close to the fan. And it's still not going high.
He's going to be in camera.
Light. This capacitor's bad on this. Oh my, I think it needs a new capacitor. So let's do reverse. Or maybe the remote receiver's bad just for being out here in a wet location. There's the broken Hunter Mariners. I don't know if you can see them. And let's put it back and forward. I asked you to go back to. Oh. It's going slow. I guess it is a bad capacitor issue. I'm gonna leave it on low. Thanks for watching.